Who is the current chairman of the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority? Masroor Khan. Who is the head of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission? Muhammad Naeem. The current Deputy Speaker of the Provincial Assembly Sindh is Rehana Laghari. Which of the following is not visited by Imran Khan since he assumed the office of Prime Minister? Kazakhstan. Mr. Muhammad Qasim Suri is Deputy Speaker, National Assembly. The current Chairman of Federal Public Service Commission, Captain Zahid Saeed. Who is the current Director General of the National Language Promotion Department? Professor Dr. Rauf Parekh. The current Chairman of National Disaster Management Authority, Lieutenant General Akhtar Nawaz Sati. Who has been appointed Deputy Chairman, Naya Pakistan Housing Authority, Major General Amir Aslam Khan. Who has been appointed Executive Director, Naya Pakistan Housing Authority, Nasir Manzoor Malik. Who is the present Chairman of the Balochistan Public Service Commission, Ambassador Abdul Salik Khan. Who is the current Minister of Science and Technology in Pakistan, Syed Shibli Faraz. Who is the current Minister of Economic Affairs in Pakistan, Umar Ayub Khan. Who is the current Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting Pakistan, Fawad Chaudhry. Who is the current Federal Minister of Industries and Production, Makhdoom Khusru Bakhtiar. Who among the following is the current Federal Minister of Energy Division of Pakistan, Hamad Azhar. Who among the following is the current Finance Minister of Pakistan, Shaukat Tareen. AZD1222 vaccine against COVID-19 developed by Dash, Oxford and AstraZeneca. Which country has pledged to provide 300,000 corona vaccine doses to UN peacekeeping force? China. Which pharmaceutical company allowed to supply and produce COVID-19 vaccine in Pakistan? Serum Company Limited. PIA resumes flights to Swat from Islamabad and Lahore after Dash from 26 March 2021 after 17 years. Who among the following is the current Finance Minister of Pakistan? Hamad Azhar. What is Range Fatah 1 guided multi-launch rocket system launched by Pak Army on 7th January 2021? 140 km. Cos Gen Qamar Javed Bajwa was honored with the Bahrain Order Dash Award by the Crown Prince Bahrain, First Class. Who is the present Chief of Naval Staff of Pakistan? Admiral Amjad Khan Niazi. Pakistan test fires Shaheen 3 surface-to-surface ballistic missile with a strike range of up to 2,750 km. On which date Pakistan military conducted successful flight test of Shaheen 3 surface-to-surface ballistic missile having range of 2,750 km, 20th January 2021. Which country launched third ship to be constructed for Pakistan Navy under Milgem project? Turkey. What is the rank of Pakistan Army in the Global Firepower Index 2021? 10th. Which country sells 50 Wing Loong 2-armed drones to Pakistan? China. Name the current chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee of Pakistan, General Nadeem Raza. When Pakistan-India exchanged lists of nuclear installations, 1st January 2021. Pakistan Army conducted the training launch of nuclear-capable ballistic missile, Ghaznavi. Recently, which country launched a second advanced warship, a Type 054 class frigate for Pakistan? China. Who is the current Chief of Air Staff of Pakistan Air Force? Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar. The LOC ceasefire agreement was reached between which two Director General of Military Operations? Both B and C. Pakistan and India had recommitted themselves to the 2003 ceasefire agreement at the line of control on 25th Feb 2021. In which agreement the ceasefire line in Kashmir was named Line of Control? Shimla Agreement. Pakistan offers a $1 million credit line to Sri Lanka for defense ties, including intelligence, sharing and cooperation on other security issues. $50 million. Pakistan Navy has recently conducted successful live weapons firing in North Arabian Sea. Which of the following countries' army takes tank to 12,000 feet world record height? Pakistan. Who is the current appointed DG-ISPR of Pakistan Army? Major General Babar Iftikhar. Qamar Javed Bajwa Army Chief tenure extend for how many years? 3. Who is the current Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee Pakistan? General Nadeem Raza. Who is the current Chief of Army Staff Pakistan? General Qamar Javed Bajwa. Who is the current Chief of Air Staff of Pakistan? Mujahid Anwar Khan. Pakistan Railway to run train from Dash in order to strengthen trade. Islamabad, Tehran, Istanbul. What is the score of Pakistan in happiness in 2021 survey? 105.